listeners, welcome to Z's Cozy Corner, where creativity meets the conversations. I'm your host Z, and you are welcome. Before we dive into the conversations, ngicela ukunikhumbuza uba ningalibali ukupressa that red button, nisupporte, nisikhulise. Share this to your friends, family, kwi-ex zakho, kwi-enemies zakho, nakubani na uqondayo inobana angakhathandi naye ukusela loo nto uyiselayo, ahlale phansi abukele. Well guys, today ndihleli nombhuti wase-East London, ubhuti Effect RSA. Wakugombo not East London, wakugombo. Ungakugombo noba ungase-East London?
Ugombo East London into eyi-one.
Wena?
Into eyi-one.
Ayisana mna litshe igama labo ugombo kum.
Ngumlando, ugombo ngumlando. It's where Gombo, it's coming from someone owayephethe ngelo xesha ngoku. So
udala ikhona igama?
Yeah.
Hayi nditsha ke kum.
Yeah, igombo, yes. Even where I'm coming from, lapho ngihlala khona, ngikhulele khona, there's a place, smaller suburb place, bathi kugombo, kusegombo, sithi kusegombo.
Yeah.
Indawo e-right, uthola ukuthi mawuyibhekile, it's a beautiful area. Where lapho ngihlala khona, it's a beautiful area. That means ukuthi lelo gama libalekile for the fact that they took that name and use it to go utia lo small place. Yeah.
Nake sana bendingalazi. Okay. With Effect RSA, ndicela usixelele kancinci nje ngawe ubana ungubani waphi. Yeah.
Okay. Igama lami Athenkosi, igama lami bandipha lona ekhaya Athenkosi. Surname nguFiti. Fiti FITI.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But ke stratini igama naliphiwa sistrato, it's Effect. Effect ngafakela uRSA because I'm from South Africa.
Okay.
I was born and raised here in South Africa. So kodwa ke imvelaphi yami ubuya kwami lapho ngibuya khona, I'm originally from East London but uzalwa ndazalelwe King Williamstown. Kulapho nazalelwa khona. Then at the age of between 14 and 15 ngamuva ngohlala kuGombo because I have a family lapho. My father was born in East London. King Williamstown waya ngokomsebenzi. So ihlangana lapho lonto le. Even nakwibhayo abantu bayangibuza, no man, Effect, where are you from? And I'm like, I was born in King Williamstown. Ngokhulela nakhulela East London. Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Otherwise I'm a musician, a songwriter, a singer, konke nje, but I call myself as a musician.
Okay.
Sonke field in the corner when it comes to music, but I'm a musician.
All right.
Yes.
Uthi igama elilithi Effect ulithole estradweni.
Ngilithole estradini.
So why bevesena ba decide nje ukuthi okay, fine.
Yeah, so back in the days, kwecala lomculo I've been into music. I've been a rapper back in the days. So I've been a producer. So qala kwami I was Art Effect. So when I was a producer, people started calling me Effect. But the guy who came up with this name Art Effect is my bro. Ungamgcina kudala lo muntu lo, umjide engiqale naye umculo Q. Igama lakhe ngiqaqe sesimbiza ngayo lokushini. So yeah. So mina I was a vocalist phakathi kwe-rappers. Ngicula. So uthola ukuthi ibras mazi rapper, I will always ngene ngishaya into yami, you understand, ngishaya imilonji yami, ngishaya imizwili yami, ngishaya ivoice lami ngicule, you understand. So that's when kuthiwa no man wena uyi-Effect man. Yeah, each and every time nakuma cypher mina ngishaya ivocal. I was always like that. So that's when the gama lakheka khona. So these past years laphela ile gama engibizwa ngalo like Effect. Yes. That's
all right. Okay. Then u-Effect uqale uculo yaje njengoba usitsho bana uqale ucula like ubuye udibane nabo bantu kahle uze ube uyaqala ucula.
Yes.
Uqale kanjani?
Umculo it's been a long time. when I look back, I think I started uthando lomculo when I was like 9, 10, between lezo sikhathi lezo. It's been a long time. Kusesisikhathi sekwaito, kusaphusha ikwaito ngezo zikhathi lezo. Kahle kahle I've noticed myself because ngikhule mina with my sister, I'm a twin. I grew up with my sister. Sikhule sobayi-2 nesister yami. Singabantu ke abazali bethu bephangela, sigciniswa and stuff. So isikhathi esininzi bengihlala ndodwa, ngihlezi ngindodwa isikhathi esininzi. So ukubona ukuthi I could see myself ukuthi man ngiyawuthanda lo mculo, benizibhalela because I felt isolated. Yeah, understand, because being enough friends, yabo, the only thing that I was communicating with was music. And ukuthi yakhele kanjani kumi but I remember ukuthi beningumuntu ohlezi like kwelicala lomculo nase-TV. When I watch TV, I would always like ngifuna into ehlangene nje enomculo nje. Even my neighbor ekhaya, they were neighbors. Kune tavern, something like that. Kunamapansula, bepansula mosikudala. Bengithanda mina ngase ngihlezi ngelapho. I-neighbors zami ngapho ukrotma ngodwa ngubhutvuyo nikhulele kuye ethanda iRicky. Bengithanda umculo, bengithanda iRicky, like that scene of music. I was always attached. But kuke kwahamba iminyaka, I think at the age of 13, that's where I started to no man, I want to do this.
You want to do your thing now,
Yeah.
not ukubana ucule eziculwa ngabanye abantu.
Yes, I think it was 2003. I was like, I want to do this. Namachite ngikhule nawo eKing Williamstown, andikamuvi ke ndize elende eEast London, eKing Williamstown.
Oh,
useseKing Williamstown. Okay. Yeah. Even esikolweni beningumuntu incwadi zami zigcwala ngama-lyrics nje. Zigcwala ngama-lyrics. Yeah, understand. So we started a crew. I think we hit me and my brothers, Chucks, Xolisa Kotana, we at the same age. So we started a crew, a smallanyana crew. Bekusarekhodwa ngamakhaseti ngelo xesha. So we started a crew, anyana ikwaito, sishayile ikwaito, bedansa bona because I was not good with dance and stuff. Bedansa. So sayihlanganisa high school. Sorry, I mean like in primary. So we started then. At the age of 13, besisibona ukuthi we love this thing. Yeah, besisibona. So yaqhubeka until ndaze ndayofika ngarelocate to East London. From East London, ngiye ngangena high school from East London. I met one of my guys because mina, I'm that kind of a person. I was always kuma cruise.
Okay.
From King Williamstown, sasivulela icrew encane sibancane. From East to East London, ngathi ngafikela kubafethu uSporo noTwana. Uxeleke bathiwa Mxeleke ngoku.
I wonder.
Athi Mxeleke. Ngafikela kubo bajita athi no mfethu masisebenzeni sonke yabo. Sasebenza sabhala umculo. Standard 8, if I remember, sibhala umculo. One of the guys uSporo wayefamous esikolweni at that time yena. So saphusha umculo sonke sasizibiza ezi Laws. Sesiphusha ke Laws, sasiphusha Laws till 2010. Sihamba ama-cypher, sihambe siperforma kwela cala. I think we were blowing kahle kwela cala lase East London. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, so sihamba ama-shows, performa. I think our first record we made it 2010. Awuqala ungena e-studio, ngithi ngiqala ungena e-studio.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
We started our first record. Uziva, it was like remember ke back in the days.
I'm sure you felt like a celebrity.
Qala kwathi uziva and ingoma zethu we lucky because ingoma zethu zabe sezagcwele ilokishi lonke.
Wow.
Sagcwele ilokishi abantu bezithanda.
And nibancinci ke njalo. Nisasesikolweni mos ne?
We at the age of 2010 I was 20.
Okay.
2010 I was 20. Yeah, so at least at that time sesibona bona, you
But you were
understand.
still young, yeah. You
Yeah,
were,
we're still, yes.
yeah, benisenikhulile, but
Yeah, sesibona bona, you understand. Sinale cruise nayo, abantu bayasithanda, you understand. So after 2010, because as ngisitsho ngithi bengimuva from crew to
to crew, yes.
ndibuya ku-crew that we started in Eastland, in King Williamstown.
Okay, wait, ngicela ukubuyisela emva kancinci. King Williamstown benikwaito mos wena ucula abanye bengema-dancers kwaito ne?
No, besiyikwaito besicula sonke.
Okay.
Because sikhathi zekwaito besicula sonke. Remember kwaito, it was so easy.
Oh yeah.
Shy 2 lines, but sisebenzisa ama-beats Brown Dash. Sisebenzisa ama-beats ithola ukuthi ingoma esezifamous.
Okay.
But amajita ayirekhoda kum. Ndaye ndafunda urekhoda nge-wireless, sirekhoda khona. And even back in the days, ngezazikhathi yaba khona ingoma eyayidumayo
kwase-East London.
No, kwase-King Williamstown.
I mean, yes.
We had a song that was big ngalo December lo. Yes. So
wow.
Yeah.
So ndifuna ke ukuthi from King benicula ikwaito. Xa ufika East London naphinde futhi waqhubeka ngekwaito.
No, angiqhubekanga ngekwaito. Angithi nesikhathi siyazatshintsha ke.
Okay.
Siyazatshintsha because now moving to East London, I'm 15 years old. Yeah, understand. Izinto ziyatshintsha. If I remember, ingoma beziphopha kakhulu at that time be hip hop, uthola ukuthi hip hop now it's kind of taking over, yeah, understand. So besiyama ngokuxesha, yeah. So namu and the guys who introduced me to hip hop, like rap, is Easy Slows. Introduce leyo. I understand. Ngabona ukuthi this thing iyaphila mos lento siyipusha ngevenue ke yabona nami ndabe ngingumuntu ke I'm skilled when it comes to writing. So yaqala lapho ke. Yeah, understand. So saphusha hip hop namajita till kwasafika ku 2010. That's where ku 2010 we started to separate. I now was introduced to another crew, Black Jam.
Okay.
Yeah, Black Jam. That's where we took from me Black Jam from 2010. Qale upusha ne Black Jam from 2010 because iBrazi has been pusha nazo. I know ukuthi zange zifilishe kamnandi. I don't wanna lie. They never felt well. Ngela xesha uthola ukuthi man mfethu you rejecting us and stuff, you know.
And lapho ufuna ukukhula wena.
Ngifuna ukukhula, that was the thing, you understand. Uthola ukuthi sihamba kwindawo we-1, there's no development and stuff, you understand. And some of them, like Osboro, he's not into music now. I don't see him go music scene.
Yeah.
Even Utoana, uXeleku, he's not into music. So
I feel
like those were some of the reasons. So ngangena ku Black Jam. I met one of the guys, Ayanda bathi Mkhilo. We started making collaborations because wangezwa. Because sasirekhoda ku studio C1 lapho sasirekhoda khona iSlows qala kwami record. He had me.
Okay.
What yes, I want to work with this guy.
Wow.
He came sisebenzile ke sabe wabe ne brothers zakhe yabo nezinye guys sasebenza si Black Jam from 2010 till 2016, if I remember well. Siqhubile 2016 uTalungazi, one of my managers, sasonke wayemanager iBlack Jam at that time.
Wow.
So thina sesahamba sonke sasihamba sonke.
Yena uButlunga udibene naye kwi Black Jam.
Yeah, kwi Black
Okay.
Jam. Yeah, understand. Kilo introduced me kuTalungazi. Yeah, so uTalungazi naye musical background. He was popping back in the days. Wayengumuntu bephuma be-country and stuff. So one introducer kuKrotman, and he fell in love with me nomculo wami. So sasibambile till now. So like Jenny from Black Jam till 2016, 2017, something like that. Okobe sibambe sonke.
Wow.
So yeah. So ngikhe nathatha break after Black Jam ingazange isebenze because kwanenkinga mase personal problems and stuff. But ke still zibras zami, I respect them. Sisegood namhlanje we still yabo uthando lusekhona, but ke when it comes to music kwaye kwaqhawukana lapho.
Babakhona lapho.
Yeah, kwaye kwaqhawukana lapho. So after 2016 I go back to college now. Buyele college, I'm like umculo no man, ngifuna ukhe ndiwuvale ndikukhiye.
Okay.
Ngawucima umculo ngithi no man, wahleze khona because kudala music is always in me, but I was
ungaphuma kuyo umusic but then awuzuphuma kuwo yena.
Exactly. So I was like let me focus man, yabo, because bengisilela kwinto ezininzi, izinto zingenzeki, yabo. Ngashaya 3 years college ebengise PE Midlands College. ngayishaya ngizophuma 2018. Remember ke ngoku ndise PE, from PE I had to move back to East London. Ngabuyele East London. I remember January 2019. I'm like I don't know what ngizokwenzani. I don't know ukuthi ngizokwenzani impilo. Yabo, ndifuna umsebenzi. Ithini into but kwakho into ethi no man, buyele emculweni. uGrotman uTalungazi, after ndithathe lo decision January ukuthi hey man, I want to go back to music, the first person angacabanga ngayo ngathi uTalungazi.
Man.
Yabo, ngahamba ngomcheckisha endaweni yakhe ehlala kuyo. UGrotman ukhona, usekhona, uyife ukhona, ithi endikhona bra. Every I want to come back to music scene bra. Ithini into singenzani, sikhipha nothi no yazini nami man, I think I'm willing, let's go. Yeah.
Wow.
I remember our first PC, our first computer nje ngangihamba naye to get our first computer, because it was godly, because everything we started ukukhuluma ngayo the same day. Everything happened in like ngemini eyi-1. Sahamba saya kwelinye ikasanyane elingakuthi, sahamba siya kwi-guy siyaziyo that ulungisa ama-computer, naye he's a musician. Kuthiwa ngu-Aya that guy, namgcina kudala u-Aya. Aya, and that besithi man masimfake man uAya, because we wanted to open something like a studio. We wanted to have a studio.
Nabantu futhi abakulento nikuyo.
Yeah, we discussed this thing ngemini eyi-1, yonke lento sixoxa ngemini eyi-1. Samuva ugeza bra, sanyuka. Masifika kuya uAya, safike khona eAya sifuna icomputer fundini.
Aninayo necomputer.
Asinalutho.
Wait, uTalungazi yena naye uye wathi emveni koba kwenzeke whatever yenzekile naye wakhe wastopa kancinci, then uzovuselelwa nguwe ke ngoku naye.
Exactly.
Wow.
uTalungazi uzovuselelwa ndim angifika endlini. I remember it was Monday. Ulawuzi bra, let's do this. Safika Aya samvisa kusefethu sifuna uqala istudio man, sinike icomputer. Bra, sangina computer man. Honestly Aya, not in a bad way my bro. wayengabelieve kuyo le nto, wathi guys it just won't work because yena okabecula yena okabephusha, you know East London izinto azenzeki, I don't wanna lie, you become demotivated kwela cala, understand. So I think he was in that mood ukuthi kuyafana noba singayiphusha le nto ithi ungo anyway, understand. And getting us fresh, sike sathatha i-break, sathi no siyabuya manje, sathi hayi no.
And xa ukhe wastopha, xa ubuyayo ubuya ngamandla.
Exactly, yeah. So sabuya ndabuyela endlini ndamvalela isupra.
Wavuya futhi wavuma unto
Zangavumi
akazingeni
baba futhi sayibona
na computer
kana computer. Sabuya noTalungazi sabona kusasa manje sibuya sendlini, nami ndiyagoduka ke ngoku. Mangifike ndisendlini kudlula uGrotman iphethe, kudlula some other guy bathi ngongiti. I want to mention these guys. Kuthiwa ngongiti ngisive from Esiphunzane, uphethe icomputer. Uyadlule bra, uyable way athi fethe ngiyafuna ubambisa ngakithi sap
ngizokubambisa apha ngongiti
le computer yayiplaga lathi ufuna imali wathi nike noba yi-250, atsale 250 dase nike imali yakhe cash ngongoku
phume kuthi
phuma ngangilight icomputer yathi iyalighta well echina konke ngakho mos i-screen ndazamela i-screen. Same day nafona uTalungazi, I think I got the computer. Serious, nginaso screen uzwakala ne-screen. Saqala istudio ngolo hlobo. Tomorrow the way ngangilambe ngakhona, we got everything. Ngahamba ngofuna uFruity Loops edankeni, ngathi 1 2 wabe nazo izinto nazi plugins sahlohla. Ingoma yaphuma the same day.
No, you were really hungry bra.
Ingoma yaphuma the same day, and ingoma yayisithi ready to blow. Because the same day kuphuma ingoma, I have my bro, MDK came, wava kuthiwa ndikhona, ukhona ndiva kuthiwa khona ubuyile East London. same day, same day yonke le nto event ibraz it's happening the same day yabo. Wafika emdikeni ndiva kuthiwa ukhona, wafika wahlala ngina ezitepsi phaa kum endlini ibraz behlala kuzo, fika wahlala ezitepsini wakhipha into zakho, uyabhema kwazibhemela bla 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 yabo. And ufika late sengisenza ama-beats ngisigqume gcine kudala ukwenza ama-beats
iya-excite le nto
and excited ukuthi yo yabo gcine kudala ukwenza ama-beats yeah, because i-mic ngayithola from a guy bathi ngudidro uNyopa wayithengisa
amagama wenu
amagama ngapha uta uNyopa this guy ngayithola i-mic kuye salute Nyopa, ngiyabonga mfethu. Ngayithi i-mic ngayithola kuye ngayithenga kuye same day, like everything yenzeka same day, that Monday, yeah, understand, because so wafika MDK ngashaya little beat, MDK wathi angena, MDK washaya i-hook, he's good, he's a talented dude, washaya i-chorus yale ngoma ithi Ready to Blow, and we like the song. Nami ngajumpa ngashaya i-verse lami, kwathi kusisa yabiso yayingoma esolid esasaqhubeka sayiperforma sathini yalasta for ixesha from that 2019. So from that 2019 you're from uqhubeka, sorry, from that Monday uqhubeka ibraz iyahamba ke iphepha ke kazi ke iyahamba ifike studio bafika abantu. Yeah, we made that week nje yonke, we made ingoma, we made songs that during that week nje kwafika amajiti intwana ebezin respect ke lokushini ukhona ta effect uzafika yabo during that week. So uTalunga's le ngoma le title song, let's go and register our company and sibize as Ready to Blow Records, yeah, entertainment yabo. And now let's go by registration i-company yonke into saqala kulapho nana iqale khona ke yonke le gym from usuka 2003 i-journey yami from usuka King Williamstown to East London. Ndathatha i-pause emculweni. I came back 2019 qale khona, I can say iphinde yacontinuesha khona ngo-2019 ijini. So mina ngibe blessed ke wena my sister, because ngiye ngahlangana noTalunga's, ngaphinda ngahlangana nomnye uTalunga's.
Hayibo,
idouble ungongela.
So lo uTalunga's lo uthethe ngayo eqala ke ngoxa beyi-2 omnye ngulo wase-East London, lo
ngabase-East London bonke but oyi-1 ungongela ke ngoku use Cape Town.
Okay.
Ngongela yeah nguGrotmani. One day introduce kuye nguWager, a guy naye bese company Wager. So we were 4, yeah, understand, Wager. Funny thing is it was not nice, I didn't like it, yeah. So after ngene ibraz ku company uTalunga's umbethe waphetha ebuya umva, you understand, because waba busy izinto zakhe, you understand.
Okay, wait, uTalunga's wokuqala nguye ohlehlela umva ke ngoku. Okay,
2019 wahlehlela uGrotmani yabo.
Okay,
so kwafika uTalunga's ecompany ungongela yangu MDK, the guy who came up with the name RDP, yangu Tawager who introduced me to uLungangongela. Yandim, we became big business partners sonke, business partners sonke, sine artists ezikhoyo ebesisebenza nazo. I don't want to lie, that year I produced a lot of albums. That year, albums gospel, because I've been producer everything gospel, quite everything. The movement, I was the one who came with the movement that year. Yeah, understand that. They know, even I get DMs even today, but effect, bro, we still miss you, bro. Because now I had to relocate to come to Jozi and stuff, but we're coming Kulondo later. So sapusha la nyaka lwana, sapusha that year, sapusha kunene team lena. So the following year, I decided, hey guys, no man, I want to come to Jozi. Yeah, uLungangongela, Mr. Lungangongela wavuya, yeah, effect, you need to come to Jozi, bra. Yeah, understand?
Yes.
Because he was a investor. Yeah, understand? Kumculo wethu. So mina ngahamba, I came to Jozi.
Okay.
I left
Bashiya East London ke ngoku.
bashiye East London ngithatha into zami because besengidevelopile ngoku seninayo imaterial entsha same year because bekusengena imali ke ngoku
man,
understand
yeah,
bekusengena
yeah.
imali gigs everything I don't want to lie. That's why sometimes ngisuke ngikhaling it I miss East London because that year I was making money. Yeah, we were getting bookings, studio sessions. Africa Majidea recorder, they pay, like money was coming. And I'm not working at that time. I'm not working. I'm just focusing on this music. And then I calling it in your solo because money was coming every day. Every day I get 3 to 4 clients every day. They come to because remember, the producer Maskandi, producer everything. Gospel, they pay those people. Gospel Maskandi, they pay. Abadlali, understand? They take this thing serious. So yeah, it was something like that. And I'm going to ngihlangane neteam egrand efuna ungiphusha. No MDK sine mixtapes esizenzayo esizirekhodayo ingoma esizirekhodayo ezinswampu uHotman yabo. So I had to ukuthi ngathi East London ngicela uyimove.
So i-reason eyenza ke ngoku into abana mawufuna ukumova e-East London, whereas izinto like I feel like things were flowing, then yintoni ekwenzeka ufuna ukumova from East London to Joburg?
I don't wanna lie. Honestly, I was tired of East London kokuqala because izinto zazimuva, but I thought mina even namanje ngisacabanga ukuthi from life ebengiyiphila ngapha it's better lena ngiyiphilayo kunangapha ya. Izinto bezisenzeka I could survive but not this way.
Okay.
Remember there bengingasebenzi, and remember there as towards unyaka ephela izinto sezathi kind of changing because now konke besukudinga bekulapha eGauteng, you understand? Uthole ukuthi now sifuna utshintsha ngoku ngifuna utshintsha ukuthi okay now ngila, but now I want to move ezinye indlela yabo. I-deals zethu besizama bezilapha eGauteng, you understand? So like no, the best way mangiqale lo nyaka manje ulandelayo ngihambe yabo. That's the reason I left. Yeah, that's the reason. And it was the best decision of my life. I don't want to lie.
All right.
Angisolely. Sometimes ke kucinga ukuthi from business side uthola ukuthi hey ngensenza imali, but kahle it was the best decision. Though ngithe mangifika eGauteng izinto khange zihambe kahle, khange zihambe kahle lento ngayo. So I moved ngaza ngapha. So i-team yethu bebe active. I don't want to lie or be active. We came, we got our features there, like bengisebenza no MDK. Our plan was ukuthi sishaya ama feature sikhulisa umculo wethu. I think the first feature I got here is Flesh Kumkani. The first feature we got Flesh Kumkani, we got Loli Native.
Wow.
We got MT. We got MT. We got Musicaholic. Sengilapha eGauteng ke sengikile East London. So do you see the beauty?
Progress,
yes. But ke ngoku ndandihamba no MDK Hrotman, ndandihamba no Hrotman, but izinto zange zihambe kakuhle between us no MDK. Yabo khange zihambe kakuhle. Uyayazi ukuthi indlela nihambe
then kube khona apho kufuneke
khona laba becutheka. It was like that. MDK is a super talented. I respect him even today, and I still want to work with him because we were making umculo amazing kakhulu mina naye. Unfortunately umculo wethu zangaphumi. Yabo even these features ndaziqala no MDK these features. So yeah, so MDK was someone and Pusha naye at that time. We had collabs. So even these features, so Zoe 3, he was involved, but through ungazwisisani nohlobo loziphatha and everything, team had decided no, let's take him out yabo. Not in a bad way, yeah, understand? That's why I need to mention this thing because he's my bro, yabo. Not in a bad way, so ngaqhubekeka. So I've experience usebenza nenezo guys, but the song that is out Esayikiphayo that we managed to keep it was for the feature with Flesh Kumkani. which I can say my journey fully started 2024 when we released the song with Flash Kumkani. That's when ngiqale khona ijourney yami as
Ubona uba-
Effect ndodwa, Effect RSA.
Or as u-effect ke ngoku
Effect RSA,
uyi-one.
yes, ngiyamandodwa.
Oh,
And abanye abantu
right.
asasebenzi nabo dala ungazi, remember basekho umbethe owage abasekho. Now ngoku ndihamba no Mr Ngongela ke ngoku.
Ubhutulungas lo
Cape Town, yes. Ngihamba naye ke ngoku sithi siyaphusha ke ngoku so bayi-2. We started the journey 2024. The song was released nge-15 saqala khona safumana i-team esasebenza naye basebenza umsebenzi omangalisayo kakhulu. I really appreciate them. Safumana lo team leyo, distribution was Wavery, shout out. Ngisasebenza nabo namanje ngabantu abasa-distribution kulo wami.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so the journey started ke ngoku
From go 2024 sele ungu-effect
Effect
RSA
RSA, yeah.
uyi-one
Yeah.
uzenzela
exactly.
all right. Now you are Effect RSA.
Yeah.
And xa ndingena ku-music wakho ndibone about 5 or 6 songs.
Yes.
Yes. Then like yiphi ingoma oyiphusha, ingoma egqibele ukuphuma ogqibele ukuyikhupha
Yes.
inguwe ne?
Yeah.
But yiyo oyiphushayo noba kukhona something else oyiphushayo?
Exactly. Yeah. So my last song Kunguwe that I just dropped
Okay,
this
your
past
February,
month.
ne?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
Between lezo nyanga lezo. But
Mhm.
the main song that has been doing well, even namanje yenza kahle, people are loving it. It's a song called Soldier.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisaphusha lo ngoma le ithi Soldier. So yona ngoma intonga yami.
Intonga yami. I'm for ngikasifiseke inguwe le. I mean into isoldier. Ndihlala ndimensiona inguwe ke because like mina ndithande kakhulu.
Nguwe.
Ndithande yona kakhulu inguwe. That's why loko ndisithi soldier. Ndiyayithanda ne soldier but then like ndiye ndaba attached kakhulu ku.
Oh, you-one nguwe.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ngicela usifiseke isoldier intonga yakho le.
Apply nge-hook.
Yeah, ihook.
Okay, ingoma yakho nithi it ain't been easy. Isilala singadlanga. Wethu la mama. Akusizukala. Mina ngisoja funa madola dala ngishova funa lempilo mina ngisoja.
Ivale mfana, ivale.
Yeah, that's my song.
Okay, so you get oyipushayo so far.
Yeah, that's the song endiyipushayo. But just because I'm pushing it, I'm not stopping to release songs. Yeah, because I want to grow my catalog. As bengishilo ukuthi ngiqale le journey 2024. So I feel like I need more music. Yeah, I need more music. I need to grow my catalog. So in order for me to grow, or as an artist, in order for you to grow, you need to release music. I can't be holding on that song. I need to, because now there's algorithms and stuff. Sometimes they report, when are you releasing another one? We are born and okay, now it's time to release. So now even I'm keen to release another project. Yeah, so that's the song in Pusha You Soldier. That's one of the songs that I really love. Produced by Young Tune Beats. The song itself nje kahle kahle mina when I'm not in a story ngoma yakhona because I just came to studio, fikile studio ngadlala beat, wangidlalela beat Young Tune. I was like, I like this one, let's go, let's do it. We do it, 1 2, it was done. Yeah, understand. So the writing process yayo, it was just on spot at studio.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
That nigga knows. Young Tune knows. When it comes
Like, lyrics is figure use studio.
the studio, everything. Most of my songs, if I can talk about my songs, it's like I come to studio because yonke le minyaka it's been a practice for me.
Oh, man.
Yonke le minyaka it's been a practice. I've been writing music. I've been ifone yami ungahleka one of abantu enandibhizi nabo angene kuma voice records ahleka ngithi uhlekani wena because uyazwa I record everything on my phone, everything engiyizwayo ngiyayirecorda, you know. That's because I'm a songwriter, yeah, and I'm a creative. Every day it's something that I do. So when I come to studio, it becomes easier for me. All the songs that I've done, I've made Young Tune Beats. Young Tune Beats, shout out. Young Tune Beats, it's a guy who produced the album ka-MT. Album ka-MT le ebewine ngayo ilento. Ebewine ngayo I know Metros or Summers, I don't know, I'm not sure, but the album ebewine ngayo. That album is produced by Young Tune Beats. I really wish mlamchita abantu bangamrecognize. Producer was Java. There's a song featuring Shamaqola's Nos Java. He produced that song. Most of the songs produced on Lumchita Leona, so ngisebenza naye. Yona ndinika amandla leyo because at least une experience, he knows my sound and stuff. He makes things easier. Mangise studio yonke into balula nje. I come to studio ngilishaya into yami. We don't take long. It can be just an hour, 1.5 hour ubude bayi session.
Nine experience no too.
That's it. We asinayo la nto ukuthi I need to sleep because once uhlale nengoma kokho kuyabhora uthola ukuthi I suppose we just do it on spot. So all my songs, even the Soldier song, it's like I did it. I made it that time. Yeah. So sidlule siyaphambili. So I really love it. Yeah, I feel like inale message endiyifunayo because I'm all about truth music. Yabo umculo kumi ngasakhuluma iqiniso. Achaze pain because we came a long way. I'm coming a long way. Yeah, understand. I've been struggling. Yeah, understand. So I think in a lot. And the reason, the main reason I'm pushing these records, which is Pumi, life is too short. Life is too short. Yes, life is too short. Now I feel like as now ngikhula musically, mentality yami iyashifta. Yeah, understand. I'm shifting my mentality. It's not about blow up. It's not about making it. It's not about ukuthi bonuses lezo, but I want to live my music. I want to live my story so that nobody ngafa, sorry to say that nobody ndingamshiya lo mhlaba anytime. At least abantu basheke belalele ukuthi this is Effect. Yeah, understand. We're living stories. That's why ngithi mentality yami yashifta manje. The music that I'm making, yabo. I have my son, I love him so much. Ngifuna naye mayelalela ubaba wakhe athola ukuthi hey no man itate besenza lento. If uyawuthanda umculo uzoqhubeka kule ndawo ndishiye ku uyalalele nomculo athi no, I'm taking this song njalo njalo. That's why I'm dropping this records. It's not about, yes, it's about making money, but at the end of the day I need to store memories for Effect. As ngisitsho ukuthi life is too short. So I'm watching like Dr. Phil some other day. So lo tata lona ubetha umfazi wakhe lo tata yambetha umtata semdala. I think lo tata nobo around like 70 baphethe kakubi kabaphethanga kakuhle. I'm like, let me watch this thing, it's interesting. Lo baba kunobaba abadala
ababetha abantu understand
stuff. I'm like, let me watch this. Ngayibukela kwachaza usesiyama nomphethe kanje nakanje mase it's not good. Dr. Phil he's good when it comes to advices nosiza abantu. Dr. Phil wathi no, okay, I want to wenza some experiment lo baba. He took a step ladder wasibeka lapha phansi, like a step ladder nje. Wasibeka wabhala from 0 to 100. Wabhala lapho from 0 to 100. Wambiza wathi uza lapha baba. uyaphakama lo baba lo naye shem uyabona ukuthi le nto endiyenzayo ayikho right. Wathi, how old are you? Watsho lo baba, hey, I'm 74. Okay, go stand there by 74. Waphakama lo baba, woma lapha, wama pha ku-74. Wathi ngicela ubheke ngasemva. Nje beme kula 74 and those step ladders, wabheka ngasemva. Wathi ubona ntoni? What is the distance? Wathi ngathi kukude ngasemva. Wathi ngicela ujonge ngaphambili. Wabheka ngaphambili, wathi kukufuphi. Wathi this is what is happening now. So each and every behavior that you are doing, cabangela ukuthi phambili sekufutshane phambili. So each and everything that you do, make sure that uyenza kakuhle yonke into, because insuku zakho zokugcina sezifikile. Yo wahlinyembezi ubaba ekhala, you wathi, hey, starting from today I'm changing my ways. So ngizama ukuthi everything that we creating, it's not about it's not about wealth, it's not about being rich and stuff, but we're storing memories for abantu abazayo, because elizwe siyalishiya, lo mhlaba siyawushiya. So each and everything we do, even this situation now, you will look back with your kids, uthi bantwana bam, I was doing this thing.
Wow.
Yeah, understand? It's those memories that
also memories ezingasuka nje.
It's very expensive. Very expensive. Yeah, understand? So even no Mark G, there's this thing Mark G wabuza ukuthi Mark G wabuza ngephi into no investor kuyo ngemali yakho. Njengoba unemali, what, no, I can invest in memories. Ngayithatha lona ngathi, wow, that's great. Investing in memories, that's what we do now. We invest in memories, because this music mawuphinda ubuyela kuwo iwesi mayikhuluma iqiniso nyanisekile. Those are precious memories. Yeah.
Wow, that was powerful.
Yes,
kakhulu, because most of the time when we are doing things, sijonge imali, sihlala sijonge into bafuna kube nemali, ufuna kube rich, ufuna kube nani, so that uzobona and everything. We forget into bana kukhona abantu abazashiya, like ushiya ama footsteps.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's it. If ngababukela nabo abantu RIP to Ricky Rick, the only thing abantu bamkhumbula ngakhona is because of izinto azishiyayo, the legacy, the memories and everything.
Yeah, understand.
If he was selfish, konke kwenzekayo, yabo abantu bebezomhleka, gaga, you killed yourself, you created suicide and stuff and stuff. But now abantu baphumile kulonto leyo,
bajonge izinto ezinhle azenzileyo.
It's all about that.
Right.
Yeah.
As ifans zakho zeziphi messages emasizilindele from your songs? Yeah.
So from my music, the message I'm always giving is the experience that is coming from me. Yeah, understand?
Okay.
Because I'm talking about every experience, every challenge, obstacles that I've went through.
Right.
So each and every song, because not everything was smooth empilweni yami, I understand. So love, ngikhuluma ngothando, yeah, understand. I have experience ethandweni, yeah, understand. Ngempilo, ilivity, ngine experience empilweni nje as general musically, ngibe na ama challenges emculweni wami. So I message engiyikhuphayo endinikeza abantu ukuthi in everything, yeah, understand, in everything that you feel like is overpowering you, or everything that is challenging, it's possible, yeah, understand. It's always possible in everything you do, in every step you take, even in the music industry. It's possible. Everything is possible. That's the message.
Wow. Ungene njani kwi choral ne opera music? because like ndikubona kwaito nakwi-rap like kwi-choral nakwi-opera ke.
Yeah, so
Ufike njani?
inomlando kakhulu even yona choral music inomlando it's a journey even itself, it's a journey itself. So
Right.
I started choral music in primary school. Bengicula nesister yami, usister yami becula nayo, siculiswa ngutishara kodwa ngumrhwasho. Ebetha kakhulu lo tishara lo, kodwa ngutishara umrhwasho, wayebetha lo tishara lo. Chucks bayazi, uChucks babecula khona. In primary it was exciting ke ngezasikhathi because asiphuma yona nto nayijabulela ngezasikhathi ukuphuma sihambe
Uyocula somewhere.
yeah, but olathando lomculo hayi yaphela loo nto leyo because ngingakhula nami ngangena kwi-hip hop and stuff and kwaito and everything ngoba hayi umculo wasesikolweni ebesheka nje phaa esikolweni ndingena si-enjoy ama-trips and stuff. So ke kwahamba iminyaka ngoku ndi-move to East London esikolweni. So what happened namajita ke besisheka ke namajita ke nozibhoro because that day nandi amanozibhoro that day the guy ebengiphusha naye umculo siyasheka ke thi siyajola masesikolweni yabona siyabalinda ke labantwana mase ke bane-extra classes and stuff, so waiting for them outside sisekhwadi sishayela ama-cypher wethu ke ama-cyphers wethu. So kuyapractice kunegumbi practice lakulo umculo lapho yabo, kuyapractice umculo lapha siyava koba do re mi yabo. So ngalamagumbi uthola ukuthi kuyapractice la akufundelwa kulo, ama-festival avulekile yabo.
Okay.
So siziblomele ngapha ngasemva yabo. So mina xa sovaya nabo umuntu efake ikhanda lapha efestileni ndiyacula todo
Now uculo do.
but wathuka kwa-conduct kwaya-master nambona ukungathi ukwatile sabaleka saphuma nabafethu wasileka zangagive up wangijaha lo muntu wangileqa lo muntu wazangibamba ngasegeyithini wathi woza lapha hawu ngiyaxolisa baba woza lapha eningene ngaphakathi yabona mosikwaya kamiwe kwaya kugcwele kwaya.
Oh no. I-girlfriend yakho ayikho
ulapha and I'm like uJojo yengule ningizayenza apha ke ngoku wathi woza lapha. So mangifika singena singile kodwa thula bayahleka abantu sanorasa niyabona izinto esanongxola wathi yabo. So mangibona manginothisa la ngaphambili kume iguy, there's a guy emela ngaphambili yabo, there's a piano, something like piano. Athi yenza lanto ubuyenza sorry kodini angikhokisi ukuthi yenza lento ubuyenza wena yabo. Ngithi hayi bathi niyenza lento uzohamba wathi yabo ngoma hayi bo mina
kwenzeka kanje nje
kwenzekani manje kuthiwa yenza lanto ubuyenza lapha baphela bengicenga abantwana besikolo yenza manje uzohamba siyabo nami ngayenza. Wathi kodwa ngihlala la zanje zalezi ngama nazo zibhoro ngawena ngicasuke kakhulu. My day was like ngahlala lapha wangihlalisa lapha ngahlala practices ngozizela iyabhora le nto ngozizela yabo. Yaphuma ikwayara wathi Ngomso ngifuna ukubona apha, ngifuna ube lapha Ngomso. Ndakhomba oba angeke ungithole because zaziyabona ngosebeniganga esikolweni yabo kunto zonke hayi ngamaye ngeke ndizapha waphuma isikole. So it's a following day yabo. So it's usual day
ulibele ngalento
izolibele manje ngithi nansi le chap emimeke 18 le chap because abantwana besikole abafuna ucula wona bayanyanzelwe ngoba izimele hayi nyani ithi suke ke18 nangiphuma emgoduke ekseni eklasini kufike kungena kuthiwa ubizwa nguprincipal engiye pha mangibizwa nguprincipal athe wena ndifuna emculweni late damn wayibetha kuThishara uzweni kuthiwa nguzweni RIP wasoleka umfundisi wayeprincipal wayibetha inezandla ezinkulu kodwa libhere mayibiza inezandla ezikhulu esiyikwa kakhulu wathi ndoda ndikufuna emculweni wena so I was always running away kulo mculo until one day wazongithatha eklasini wangigoke zibe once ungazi ngizobizela abazali mhlawumbe. So I didn't want my parents to come to school and I was like let me go makhe ndiye nami lento yabo yalo mculo lona nafika. I remember the day too I was bored so boarding ngambheka endleleni ngiyabona i-friends zami sezitshintshe notshintsha because isikolo sami izokhanya sisehodinga yangibhora le way. So esike ngokundi manje ngoya because sengiplease umenini because uyabetha lo tishara lo yabo. Ngaphela nami ngaphela ndifola in love ngolo hlobo nomculo angazi ukuthi kwenze kanjani. So kwakunethe kuthiwa nguSimphiwe, singisaluthi Simphiwe wacula itena yakhona. So I don't know ukuthi replace kanjani, but ngaphela ngalonyaka I was the soloist that year. Wangicela lo tishara igolo lo mini ngicela mfethu man ungayenza le way, you have a voice, lo muntu uyakucheka iyamuyisa lento what you can do this thing yabo. Bani motivate nabantwana besikole yabo ngobe ndabe ndifumana ukuthi kwabe kumnandi man yabo ndinaye nomuntu lapha yabo
man girlfriend lapha
sibamnandi ngoqhubeka yabo. So wangicenga ukuthi man yaqala ndatona la yaqala ngolo hlobo into yami yomculo we-choral music.
Okay,
you can't believe ukuthi the following year because ayesacula nakwi-competition, my first competition ngicula as a soloist, it was that year. Yo after ndiphumile stagini ndathi ngobe okay this thing is possible. Bona ngisaba yabo I made it through nacula as a soloist my first year ngiqala ucula ngazange ngacula ngayazi lento ngicule ngoko sasibhola khakeke isikhathi ngapha primary school. So now ucula descend now ivoice kumele ibe clean, you don't drink, you don't uyaziphatha ngendlela ethile kumnandi lapha. After siqedile ucula siyaziphuzela kube mnandi man like senisocializile nabantu. The following year you can't believe the following year nawe uthanda umculo yengoku nango yena yengokubiza abantu recruitayo ndatshintsha ngona opposite. That's when I started uthanda umculo. So my conductor, my mentor, the person who taught me umculo, umbulelo mema Mr. Mayongo, yaziwa kakhulu kwela cala Eastern Cape, yacula even ikwaya yakhe. Congratulations to abantwana bakhe abaculisa ikwaya yasemzokhanya bebewinile, bebe kwi-competition I think yesterday bawinile. Everything ayitouchayo abantwana bayawina. He's good in voice, ungisize kakhulu when it comes to voice control. Ungisizile nje vocally and everything ungisizile. I don't wanna lie. Wangirecognize lapho wathi wangirecognize baye wena ngifuna ube sekwayeni yami yabo. So it's another story sakhe, it's another story because ngaphela ngihlala emdansane after yabo phansi kwesandla sakhe. So it's another story nje just to break it ihambe fast. Yeah, it's like nguye ngumuntu wandenza, one inspire, one motivator to do this thing. So sangiculela ikwaya yakhe ngiphusha umculo ngapha ngicula ikwaya siyayazi brass ezibengiphusha nazo i-Black Jam, i-Slows. Ngiphuma besirecorda ngiphuma ngiyame ngekwayeni siyaphuma local besiphusha local. So ngo-20 after ndiye e-PE kwabe kune chamber kwaye umjita ngintroduce kusefethi nemali lewe yabo. Ngilisi ungathola inyokwanyana faka into zakho yabo ngangena lama auditions. It was 2017 ngangena ama auditions banithatha laba bantu. It's a chamber choir, it's from Netherlands something like that ngikwazi ukuthi, but it's from there but it's based in South Africa. So uthumela ivoice yakho banithatha bathi hayi uyaqualifya. Sicela udibana sadibana e-Summer Strand if I remember, sadibana first time dibana nabantu engingabaziyo lapho khona belungu nobani. So we will have the main auditions. Angishaya ama-main auditions bangithatha. So ngalanyaka yabe i-holiday yesikolo at that time. During that holiday basithatha the first country esaya kuyo it's Netherlands. First country flyer ngithi flyer bas provide everything, they do everything. Baneqiniso ngabantu abamhlophe. Basithatha basangapha yani yakhempisha lapho banifundisa amaculo, everything banifundisa amaculo yonke into yabo. So that's where I started to travel ke ngoku Japan.
Wanjiswa music bro,
choral music.
Yo,
Japan siyafika phana niyafika nihlale phana ni accommodate. It was a chamber choir where like four tenors, 4 sopranos, 4 alto, 4 bass yabo. Nibe nabantu abayi-2 like four people abazi reserves. Mhlawumbe kwenzeke lonto kulo muntu lonke yabo. You earn money, you get paid. Yeah, so la nyaka luwana ndanise college ngayo zange ndiwuve like financially more
Oh,
because
lo nyaka ngulo ubuse-college
Yeah, lo
kuwo.
bendithathe i-break,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
from
Oh, you took
that
a
3 years.
break, but not really a break from music.
From the hip hop side and stuff,
Mm.
ngathatha i-break but ngathatha i-chance ngapha because uyayibhatala isithini is everything. So yeah, I didn't want to talk about that because I know it's another journey. Like opera music is
Okay.
another. It's really another journey. Yeah, but so yaba yiloo nto okay. 2 years okokoko ndisebenza naba bantu. Yabo siyaphuma masibuye makuvula izikolo bayanigodusa banithumelela amaculo bayanithatha ngama-weekends yazi nto yasekholeji mosebhangeni nobhange maseke bayasifuna manje basifuna for 4 days bazaniflayisa. Yeah, understand. So 2 guys ebengicula nazo ii-basses enye kuthiwa nguLuthando besihlala sonke kwindawo eyi-1 bese-New Brighton. Yeah, besihlala sonke. So lo umculo we-opera meant a lot to me, like kakhulu. It was something that I was doing professionally, hayi nje kancane. Nasesikolweni siwinile kakhulu esikolweni, high school.
man.
Bengicula high school isolo, bengicula kwi-quartets and stuff, yabo. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Ngingathi kahle nguyena mculo ungilolileyo. Like musically, yabo, everything i-spot on yonke into nje. Yeah.
Okay, let's go back again akancinci. Nela group yakho nenze music nabo ubani konje uba mentionile manje.
Yeah, Flash
Abo
Konkane,
MT, yes.
Loli Native, MT, Musicaholic. It's funny enough. It's funny. Ingoma iyi-1 koza ngoma yazi seyiphumile. It's out. It's on my catalog. Ingoma ka-MT ayikaphumi. Ingoma kaLoli ayikaphumi. Ingoma ka-Musicaholic ayikaphumi. The setbacks, the challenges that I'm facing right now. Honestly, I'm at that point now, now, what's the way forward? Because I don't want to say me and Ukotman, Utalungas, Ngongela, Mr. Ngongela, we're not in good terms. I don't want to say that. But there's no more effort. Yeah, I understand. I don't know what's going on. We're not pushing together anymore. Hence, I was like, let me take back Talungas better because he understands me. Yeah, understand, and he wish kuyena mntu ngizamela izinto. Yeah, understand, interviews uze ngikhulume eradweni ngilokhrotman uyangisiza yabo, but usebhek yabo. Yeah, uyangisiza ngento eziningi. Yeah, understand. I was like, bro, let's roll. Yeah, understand. On the side of Utalungas, Mr. Ngongela, we're still good, but now there's some dynamics. Yeah, I understand, that are holding these projects to ziphume. Yeah, and I feel like bro, this is our breakthrough. Yeah, I understand. This is what is gonna take us far. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, so when it comes, he was the one who was investing some of the funds when it comes to this music, but now I decided to take over with this injalo yabo, and I rely on it because I feel like it's too much for him. Yeah, it's too much for him. So yeah, face Londo right now recently. Yeah, but we are facing that. But I'm working hard. I'm trying by all means ukuthi izingoma ziphume. I'm working hard ukuthi ziphume. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Utalungas lo ose East London notalungas lo ose Cape Town abakwazi ukusebenzisana like bakwazi ukubambisana, bakwazi ukuphusha together. Like I think xa bebambisene kungaba.
I like that advice. Ngiyayifisa loo nto, ngiyayifisa. I've introduced, I'm not to say Kotman Kubani lo.
Yeah.
I've never done that. Let me be honest, I've never done that. But ngamtshela uKotman ekuseni ngisebenza nobani, uyamazi ubani. Ngoba ungena wena ku-RTB ubra wayephuma
Mhm.
njalo njalo usaqhubekeka
Yeah,
njalo
yeah,
njalo. So it's something like that. I like this advice. It's something that I wish for.
Yeah, I
It's-
think
it's something
something
I really wish for. Zininzi challenges. It's not easy. I don't wanna lie. It's not easy. It's not easy. Yeah, but ke kunezinto nami every day yanhaunt. We have these big songs.
Imane ezihleliyo nje.
Aziphumi. It's because now which it's because communication is not well. Izinto are not well and everything. That's why hence ngiyajajela ukuthi okay, effect qhubeka ukhiphe umculo yabo. Because I still have beautiful songs. I've been working like professional songs. I still have beautiful songs. I'm like, okay, effect kabuz build, kabuz akha. Because I had this mentality which I can't keep ingoma ka MT abantu abakangazi. They understand that because it will be a waste. Yeah, understand. People need to know me, need to see the steps, need to see me growing. Yeah, understand. People,
Yeah, bangakuboni sowulapha
yes,
bengakhange
that's
bakubone
me.
apha.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. Even to my management, I was like, "Great man, let's do this. Let's not waste this song. Yeah, understand. Let's do this because ingoma ka Flash Kumgani, I respect Flash, and it was not his responsibility to push ingoma yethu. Yeah, understand. I felt like, okay, we did this song, Saipusha. It delayed also nayo uphuma. That's why I always understand the Flash, yeah, because it delayed ukuthi iphume. Yadelay yaphuma ngesikhathi yena semuvile away from it, yabona. I don't know, ndamcela umanager ke athi kamcela umjita man ukuthi azame ukuthi yabo
Apusha.
apushe on his side, you understand. So angazi ukuthi kwenzekani, but ke I still have that love ukuthi okay mfethu wanike ivesi eligrand. I appreciate that, but I was expecting more ukuthi yabo mhlambi angasiza when it comes to pushing, because when you do ingoma nomuntu at least osewaziwayo, at least you expect la ukuthi at least now mfethu wakuzama sisuka siphuma songene ngumkhaya yabo, let's do this thing yabo. But I appreciate that the fact that he wabonakala ku-shoot ku-visual wabakhona. He was humble. I like that. Zangaziphakamise. Same applies as MT. MT is a good guy, I don't wanna lie. He was humble ku-session yonke into nololi. He was humble ku-session. Zangafuna uziphakamisa thini yabo. That's what I respect from Fresh Kumgana. I respect wafika washow up umfethu yabo. Kwakwamnandi kuyaqedwa saqhubekeka nempilo yabo, angapush ingoma. So I was expecting, I had those expectations. I was like, hey, mayiphuma le ngoma at least ilento i-crowd yakhe izoyikhuphula yabo. Nami iyangifundisa ezinye izinto loo nto leyo ukuthi collaborations, they are not for you to blow. That depend on someone owenza naye ingoma ukuthi ufilisha njani about the song yabo. Unomxhelo ongakanani ukuthi angayiphusha ingoma, if akayithanda okanye if akafeel like there's a use, yeah, understand, they can just, you can push it because that's
because xa uyipusha uyi-one uyenze nam mna ndisaziwa, like if I don't push it then that means like kuzoba nzima into abana ayaziwe because wena usazama ukhula. And
exactly,
yeah,
exactly. So that song,
I didn't know that.
I don't wanna lie, that the song that is I think I'm on 10k streams because sisakhula sisebancane siyavuyela nokuncane okukhulayo yabo, but 10k yabavuyela ngoba at least yabo. That's eyona ngoma itopishayo, the same song Soldier is this, of which the song that I've pushed alone. But ingoma ka Flash Kumgani introduceile because when you search effect ngiyavela lapho, ndivela kwi-articles, ndivela kwiinto ezininzi because the team that we were working with at that time yenza sure ukuthi iyaphusha, yenza sure ukuthi iyangiveza ngendlela e-right yabo. So yeah, otherwise it's not to say mhlawumbe ngemsolo uFlash no, but I was expecting ukuthi we can push this song. I even ndabadatsha namajita afana noXhaka. I remember I paid him, I was like, I said, oh please man, ungandipromotela how much, wathi hayi ngemali ethile, I can promote it for you. I sent it. I was like, okay, now do it. Funny enough, when I go to his page, I don't see any promotion. I'm like, I don't see anything. This, I'm like, what's going on? I'm not saying it in a bad way. You know, when you want something to happen, tell ukuthi hey kuyabangela ngisho ukuthi
No, ipromote njani ingoma, like you give.
it's like I said and I'm dashing something to grant. Ekumele ngoma yami fresh kumngane manje iphumele yabo. So ngicela mfethu unipromote page lakho yabo.
Oh, ngoba
Because-
yena
and a follower
Yeah,
grant
yeah,
yabo. I was
yeah.
like, but no, it's this amount. And I was like, okay, I pay ngayibhatala manje athi mfethu ngicela uyipost because I wanted him to post it maybe around 6.
Okay.
Ngathi mfethu at least ngo-6 wathi ngicela ungithumelele every detail ngabhalela yonke into ngamthumelela. Yashaya imini, yabetha yesibini, yashaya yesithathu. Laphela iveki mina kampatient abuye ekusayidot awulibelanga. No bebona mos wabhizi amajita abhizi yabo aba-blue stick uthola ukuthi umuntu obhizi and stuff. Hayi mani ningangiphazamisi lo mjita. But uma ngibuya ngibheka kwi-page I don't see anything epromotiwe, I don't see anything ayiposted. Ngithi yayibona mos into mo-posted to yabo. Check wonke ama-pages apostwanga mos, but ke I let it go. I remember he was doing something last year. I'm not sure there emaboning. One text asazani.
Oh, anazani face to face.
No, asazani. I don't know if angangikhumbula because ngizamuzwa kule nto ukuthi asazani. So he was like, yes, wakala pull up man, pull up, I have a show yabo ngabo. Oh wow, one back fakele message. Dropa everything ngaya khona ngafika. Because ndanisipana afternoon at that time. So ngafika nabona ukuthi hayi yaqala ishow. Ngasaluta nje kuse kamana nama nelinye ibhadi lami kuse. Ngambuza kuse you didn't promote my song. But man ikhona la ngona man. Ipromotile man la so much. And I'm like, bro, didn't promote this song. But no, when ikhona page and the way washo ngakhona ukubona ushow with no care. I was like, okay, nothing, okay. Yeah, nandahlala nje kushow. I enjoyed ngazithengela drinks ngaphinda ngahamba. I don't even think uyangikhumbula umjita. So I don't even because I don't think usamkhumbula. Mina ngimazi, he was young at that time. He was very young.
Umazela
From East London.
Okay.
Ngimazi say young. I remember I was with Black Jam. Siyasawini awards eziningi sekumngane FM. We were the best group at that time. I think 2015. Sayithumela nayo loo nto leyo. I think 2015 were the best group. And naye that year uGxaka wayewina i-best song ingoma ethi Chinties or something like that. Wawina yona naye. So we were in the competition at that time. So but he was young. He was young. Not ukuthi mhlawumbe in a bad way kanti he was young. He was young ngumjidana yabo uzikhulelayo yabo unetalent yabo. So ndimazi ngezo sikhathi akasazi naye. Asazani yabo.
Okay.
Because mina angumuntu ufana hambe yabo. Angifani ngihamba. I'm always indoors. Phuma ngiye studio yabo ngiphusha umculo wami online yabo. So asasazani kangako gigs and stuff yabo. Yeah. So yaba yilonto was like this guy. But I khona manje ngoma. Khona izinto I was like no. It's sometimes yabo it's izinto a challenge because it's a challenge that you expect umuntu wenzi laba bantu bangathi bane numbers okanye baphezulwanyana.
Oh, kanti yenziwa naleyo into.
How you do that?
Is there anything oyipushayo ngoku like not oyipushayo man ikhona into ophezu kwayo, ikhona into oyiphekayo like ekitchen ikhona into ebilayo, khona into ozifrayayo phayeni ubana kukhona into ezayo okanye like uyazixelela into yobana khathi can push this thing makhe ndikhulise lo sekhona okanye ikhona umntana omnye ozovela.
Yeah, definitely. As in now, I'm about to drop my 6th single next month. During next month
ngo June, eh?
Yeah, my people should expect a new single coming from Effect RSA. So Aluta continue like siya phambili. It's all about that. but still we're still pushing Soldier as the main song. But I'm dropping. I'll keep dropping. I'll keep giving you beautiful music. I feel like this song coming. I want to give it more time. Everything like I want it to be spot on since I've already started with it. Like when it comes to like photo shoots, when it comes to like technicality and everything. So I want to make sure this one at least it's gonna at least grow me as a musician. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting now. I'm about to drop my sixth single.
Right. Intoni esingayilindela kulo single le yakho, like message wise?
Yeah, only good. I don't want to reveal it.
Okay.
See me,
Masilinde ngoJune.
yeah, see me. I'm that kind of. I'm always when it comes to rollouts. I'm always like opposite.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't tease songs. I don't. I feel like that's one of the things that I give that's what I'm different about. I don't tease songs. I don't like teasing songs. It's like I know people will be like, you want to hear this song, want to hear this song. Mina, I just want to release the song and you get it because I find it very challenging. It doesn't work for us. It doesn't work for everyone, but it worked for me through all these five singles that I've dropped. It's like a song, I just drop it. Yeah, understand? I just drop it. I just tell a story about it vertically and stuff, but the sound, you won't hear the sound. I'm sorry. I don't share, I don't like it. Because some people, they listen to that song, to that snippet, and they'll be like, I'm done, I'm good. I want you to be thirsty. I want you to be hungry for it, you know. Because you find an artist is pushing a rollout, is pushing a song for a month, like a snippet, a short snippet. Then that day, when that day ifika la mini leyana ifika ukuthi ingoma iyaphuma, people are like, I'll see it later. Seningizwile bafethu ukuthi ngiphusha kanjani, seningizwile ukuthi i-ability yomculo wami injani. I have songs eziyi-5 already. Yeah, understand? If you want to feel me, you want to hear me, go to those songs and listen to me. The new one, you must get it exactly ngala date leya. That's how I work, that's how I push.
Wow.
So bafethu niyanicela nonke bafethu abantu my followers, I know guys you always hungry ngomculo wami, but please bafethu ingoma nikhipha ngala mini leya strictly. Yeah.
Okay, I respect that.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, that's
I
what
do.
I do.
All right, ke Butiza, sesiya ekuququmeleni ke ngoku. As a artist ne edala igozu dala isiwa iphinde ivuke iwe iphinde ivuke. What challenges nizi artist andifuna ukuthi unguwe ungu Effect RSA we1, ndifuna as artist zonke, what challenges do you guys face?
I-challenges bros or anyone, ladies abenza umculo, people don't want to be themselves. Abantu abafuna uba ngabo. You understand? I know you have that role model, unalamuntu you look up to, but guys, most of the guys, they want to be they want to be those people, like even musically. Yeah, you forget about yourself. Yeah, understand? Yonando and the ukuthi it's a challenge. Yeah, understand? That's why you hear uthola ukuthi we all sound the same. Yeah, we all sound the same. So the stardom, in order for you to be a star, if you want to be a star, you need to be different. Michael Jackson was different. Yeah, understand? I can go on. Amachita local. The most people who always make it are different. Yeah, understand? That's the thing. That's the challenge that we facing as musicians, because now you see this thing is popping and I'm like, hey, let me try and yeah, well, it doesn't go like that. Yeah, well, you need your fan base, you need your people, but people they will listen to you because abana choice. Yeah, understand? They are supporting you anyway, but omunye umuntu deep down, yeah, understand, there's no uniqueness. Yeah,
Yeah,
understand.
yeah, yeah.
And any challenges, I feel like gatekeeping. Let me be honest on that. But the gatekeeping, I feel like iphinde cause of a seat as
The artist.
musician, because we don't want to work hard. We don't want to polish what we have. Yeah, understand.
Mm-hmm.
Because music industry, you need to learn every day. You need to make sure every day you need to practice. This thing needs practice. So siyafika siyogiga kwindawo uthola ukuthi this artist is not ready. You understand?
Okay.
He's feeling pressure because ubona abanye abantu they are making
Man.
You need to polish what you have. Make sure you polish, chill, yeah, understand, and polish what, so that you uphumele ebantwini, you come with something that is solid.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you, the crowd will never deny you. Will never deny if you come with something that is solid. Sezinye izinto is challenging, and also the fact that guys, they don't want to wake up. This thing ayambi yodwa, you need finances kulo mculo lona. You don't just pray, oh God, you don't just pray, you pray and do. You pray and do, and you invest. You understand? I feel like guys don't want to invest anymore. And now there's these AIs now. People are relying. I've seen a lot of people they now relying on these AIs. You know, these AIs, you just pay it. You pay this AI.
It does everything.
It does everything. Now there's I circle and you go to tell you now. You invest. Yeah, no, you sebenza nzima. No, yeah, and it works. People they don't go to photo shoots anymore. Umuntu uthatha ipicture yakhe uyayipost uyayifaka, understand. There's yabona now iyaphela la work ethic, understand. And thina ke ngoku singama fans, yabo, we love that authenticity, understand. Ubone ukuthi this thing is organic, this thing yenziwe, uyayibona, understand. So I think the challenge is that because once you do that, people don't feel the same anymore. They don't feel you anymore. They take it light. Yeah, anything you do, they take it light. Yeah. So I think from this industry, the challenges that I see, understand, I've noticed with you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and another thing mna endinothisileyo about artist. I know kunama groups ekuye kuthiwe ngama artist kuphela.
Yeah.
Uzothola ubana kulo group leyo ina 500 people. So wena uyadropa, we understand.
Yeah.
Uyafaka whatever oyidrophile phayana egroupini. Akho ndinyukayo. Do you think if whatever lo EP lo oyidrophile, la 500 people bebehamba bayibukele, don't you think ibiza kwenza a huge difference? But then like I feel like i-artist xa ndibona mna ndedwa okhulileyo, I don't want to see you ukhulile, ndizibona ndi-one, like omnye nomnye upushela yena a1, akacingeli omnye umntu. That thing yokubana umntu xa ikufollower nakumfollowe, we don't have that as i-artist. Sinalanto bana, you must follow me, I'm not gonna do that. You must subscribe to me, I'm not gonna do that. We understand. Kanti if uthi xa ubona umuntu osubscriber uqonda nobana let me do it back. We understand. Besizawukhula size artist, but then we don't do that. Exactly. I think that's another challenge. If like you are not paying anything, it's free, you just do it. Yeah. So like true. I think that's another challenge about
exactly.
The artist. Then if kungathiwa ke na okay effect, now that kukhona this thing yama artist ukubana kukhona lama challenges, kuthiwe ke ngona ke khawuzame mani ukulungisa, ube in charge, khawuzame mani ukulungisa ke whatever ama artist alekha kuyo. Yini ongagxila kuyo kakhulu?
Engagxila kuyo ukuthi guys, let's just wake up and make sure that I feel like it's funding. Let's not hold back. Let's put something on this thing, because at the end of the day, it's your identity. Because when you go out and ask for favors, people will never do exactly what you want, obviously, because now you know, at least just make sure you invest. Yeah, but I feel like that's what I want to say. Let's invest more. Let's invest more so that we can beautify this craft. We can beautify this art. Yeah, understand. So that people can see, because people they invest, or they become attracted with something that has value. You need to put value so that people can consume what you bring out and stuff. You need to put value in everything. Qale engomeni, qale engomeni nje. Your song must when we listen to your song, we must not doubt. We must not be annoyed. Akho ibuhlungu nje ngomamela ingoma uthola ukuthi le ngoma lena it's beautiful, but now ayina value uyilalele because umuntu wayo khangafuna uinvest, khangafuna uhamba e-studio esi-right and make it and polish it. Ufune nje uhamba ufune nje ukuthi ayikhiphe out. Yabo ila pressure ke, because ufakela i-pressure. Just make sure uqala emculweni. Yabona ke inje lento as an artist, yonke into iqale engomeni. Singakubona ugqoke kahle, singakubona urepresenta well uthini, uperform usithini. So let me go home, let me listen to Effect, let me listen. I listen to your song and I'm like, oh, let me skip it. Yeah, but people will skip your songs. You skip because you don't want to invest. So I feel like if we can work on that, I feel like that's where we can grow as artists. And unity, make sure that at least you support each other.
Yeah.
Understand? If you have your peer, support. There's a movement, I want to mention this. There's a movement eqalwe ngabafethu from back home, and I love it. About Dokotela. Shout out to Dokotela. Bekhiphe ingoma yakhe ithi Commotion. Carter, amajita amaninzi. I can go ilist iningi ayasupportana. I like that. Ngiyayithandela into eniyenzayo bafethu kakhulu. Niyasupportana and iyaninspire loo nto leyo kakhulu. Inenza ngikhumbule ekhaya, because now they push this nigga umjitamu uDokotela, and he's doing fine.
Wow.
He's doing nice music, and I see the support into bengenzeki where I'm coming from. Bafethu nibambe kanjalo. Nakwabanye abanye nomunye uzathi drop nihlale nigxile kuye. I like that.
Man.
I never had that as East London or Gombo people. Yeah, understand. Yeah.
Siyabulela kakhulu, man. Is there anything that you would like to share before we wrap it up?
Yeah, bafethu, if you're an artist, usafuna uliqala lolu hambo, you must be prepared. There's so many challenges. Sometimes you will feel weird, or sometimes izinto zizokuhambela kahle. Sometimes you will get that attention. Sometimes it won't last. It won't last even a week. Yeah, understand. Just because it didn't last for that week, please make sure mfethu uyaphinda uphakama upick up, you push more, because now we need to avoid into zezi, because artists, let's be honest, artists, they become depressed and they do such things. They they commit, they do things. We avoid those things. Just make sure, man, you don't put this thing in your heart. Yeah, but just have fun with it. Ijabulele. Kuyo yonke into, just enjoy yourself. Yeah, understand that this is a journey. This is not just a thing. This is not just a short thing. Make it a long term. Yeah, understand. So just enjoy it, love it. If unayo opportunity ukuthi uyeskila, ikelezele. If unayo opportunity, if unayo opportunity ukuthi you want to invest in it, please invest in it. That's what I can say. Yes. All
right. Okay. Thank you so much. Sicela ama-socials wakho ke. Umusic wakho simthola kuphi?
So, music wami utholakala kuzo zonke digital stores. My name is simple, Effect RSA. It's like you search Effect, then you open the brackets, RSA, you close the brackets. Instagram, X, Facebook, YouTube. I have a music video, official music video for Soldier. Soldier is out. You can go and view it. For now, I'm not pushing it that much because I'm still trying to monetize the page and stuff. I'm still looking for someone who can help me on that. Okay. Yeah, but I'm not pushing it. I'm not pushing that video. I put it there until ngibone ukuthi okay, YouTube wami uzawuyenza lento ndifuna yenze. I'm still searching for that.
All
Then I
right.
push it, but you can go and watch it. It's a beautiful music video. It's clean, perfect. Shout out to Salty's production. Thanks man Nangamso. You did justice for that music video. Shout out to Young Tune Beats, my producer. Bro, sisebenza kahle. We've been working hard so by-2 sisebenzisana. Zange kube nalutho, like everything from day one.
Wow.
Undamkele students sakho fethu siyasebenza wenza lento endiyifunayo. Ngiyaphola when it comes to your recording, ngiyarecorda, I go home, ngithumelela ingoma, I'm happy and stress ukuthi yo ingabe sound kanjani le ngoma. So bro, like I'm happy to ukuthi ngihlangane nawe. MDK my dog, maybe mhlawumbe uzogilana nale way Brian. Sisesonke, you still my nigga from day one. We've been doing this thing. Ngiyazi ukuthi one day sohlangana zonke brothers abantu abengake ngiba-mention that we've been sonke olupa abantu abahlezi bengisupporta, my sister, my twin sister, ngiyakuthanda mina sekhaya, ngiyathanda isupport yakho, you always show up every time. My mother ngiyazi uyibukele lento ngiyazi uyibukele, ngiyakuthanda kakhulu. Everyone man, everyone who close, ngiyabonga.
All right, thank you so much Budwami. Thank you.
Yeah,
We really appreciate ukubana sihlale nawe sive into obana iqale phi na le nto,
Yeah.
because like sibona selapha thina asazi uba iqale phi. We appreciate that. Siyabulela kakhulu. Sibulela no Talongas, uTalongas wase East London. Ndizoba hlukanisa kanti ndizoba
Ngiyabonga Grootman kakhulu, ngiyabonga. You always here for me. I don't want to lie. Even now Mr. Ngongela Talungas, ndiyabulela nakuwe kakhulu kuyo yonke into, like it's all positivity. I know uyangitshela if ingoma iyabhethe ngitshela effect I don't like this song.
Yeah, that's love.
Ezinye izinto ezimkhulisayo ngayo. I don't want to like ezinye izinto engakhange ndizimention ngayo. Izinto like uGrootman ahlezi if ingoma iyabhethe that effect I don't like this one. You can use it and ngohlobo oluthile. So I like that. Whatever is going on, I know sizoyilungisa njengabantu abadala. Ezikuchilo ngithathile nyani i-suggestion yakho Talungas. You need to link her.
Kahle nje.
Taweja, let me not forget Taweja, ngiyabonga nawe Grootman yami. You are trying to come and show up because even month ending bangibizile ku Gombo TV.
Okay.
It's a Gombo TV. I'm not sure. Umakapa TV, something like that. I got an invite through Grootman. I'm grateful for that. Month ending zogibela buyele ekhaya. Bekla TV leyana. Please keep on supporting Effect bafethu, nginika umculo omnandi niyayazi. Ayikho ingoma ebhedayo. I'm giving you like umculo grand. My last song nguwe. I've seen people on TikTok, they were using that sound and I appreciate you. Izophuma the episode and please bafethu subscribe, please support it. Ngiyacela bafethu. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Effect RSA.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yo.
Thank you so much, guys. Talungas, guys. This is the message from me to you. Ngicela into yobana nihlangane nisebenze no-2 and then nisebenze no-3. That's all I can say. That's all I can ask. If ningabambisana, believe me, andinazi, but then like I know but something juicy is awuphuma. Thank you so much guys for ubana nihlale nathi until this time. Ndayazi ubana nixakeke kakhulu but ngicela into yobana anisoze niphose le episode. Right. Let's catch up on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. It's Effect RSA. Subscribe, follow, do anything, listen to the song, and then uye kwiZiz Cozy Corner, ku Instagram, ku Facebook, kundondoni, like anything, just search Ziz Cozy Corner. Until next time, dango!